Hello everyone! Today we're going over some Google Drive tips again. Our older video was a bit out of date, so we've done a little updating so we could help you out with the latest versions. The first thing you can do is download Google Drive into your computer. You can do that through self-service. Once it finishes installing, you'll get a pop-up telling you to sign in with the browser. This will bring up your browser and have you log in. From there, you'll either enter your email and password, or select the correct email you want associated with the drive, should it give you that option. Once that is done, you'll get a message telling you you're successful. From here, if you select the Google Drive drop-down icon, you'll be able to see any activity, or notifications that may be happening with your drive. Now if you look in your Finder under Locations, you'll see a folder that says Google Drive. Make sure you use the folder under Locations, just so you don't confuse it with a Google Drive folder from a past version. You'll be able to tell it's the right version if you see these little cloud icons here. If you open the folder that says My Drive, you'll be able to see everything in your drive, and drag anything you want in the drive into it, so it's in the cloud. If you're nervous that it didn't sync, take a quick look in the browser view to see if it's shown up. Ah, there it is. Speaking of the web version, let's do a quick refresh on moving files while we're here. You can use the New button to create a folder and name it for organization, and drag and drop any files where you like them. Just remember, large files like videos can take up space, so keep that in mind so you don't completely fill up your drive storage. Whew, that was a good update and refresher. Technology is always moving forward and updating, and so do we in the IT department to help you. See you next time.